Data powers the AI revolution, but for too long getting it has been a gamble. Think black boxes, promises over performance, broken and inefficient systems. Well, that ends today. Introducing Undatas.io v3, built on a revolutionary philosophy. Your data, your control, achieved through total transparency. So, how do we do it? V3 solves the three core failures of document AI. First up is total transparency, what we call the glass box. You can click any extracted data, whether it's tables, headings, or text, and watch it light up in the original document. There's no guesswork, just instant visual proof. Next, we have uncompromised security. No more choosing between AI power and privacy. You can connect your S3, Azure, or Google storage, and we process documents inside your security perimeter. Your data never leaves your control. And finally, there's pay only for results pricing. You can ditch paying for useless pages. Review first, then spend credits later. You can reject what's subpar, so you only pay for quality. Let's see V3 in action. It all starts in your new intuitive workspace. First, you'll create a new parsing task and securely upload your document. Now, the magic happens. Before you parse, you are in complete control. You can choose from a vast range of languages for high-fidelity extraction. Then, select your parsing mode. Need speed? Choose fast. For complex documents, accurate mode delivers the highest fidelity. And for documents with rich visuals, our new multimodal mode understands the full context. With one click, your document is processed in seconds. Instantly, you get our glass box view. You can click any data point and see it highlighted on the original document. This is total transparency. But what if a single page isn't perfect? This is where V3 changes the game. Instead of rejecting the whole document, you can reparse just a single page, perhaps with a different mode until it meets your standard. You only ever accept and pay for the quality you need. So, stop gambling on your data, start building with confidence. You can sign up now to get 0 free credits and a 7-day all-access trial to experience the full power of V3. And for a limited time, the first 50 new customers who subscribe to a paid plan will receive a 25% lifetime discount. This is more than an update, it's a new standard for document AI. You can click the link to start your revolution.